हाउस होल्ड सर्किट. हाउस होल्ड सर्किट्स मतलब सबसे पहले समझ लो, the electricity is generated, the current is generated, the current has to come to our house, right? It comes to a certain medium. You have seen those light green color boxes outside some house, like some buildings. They are the main box. That's the main box. From there the electricity enters our house. So that has to enter at a certain that has to definitely enter at a certain voltage only, because otherwise we might get electrocuted. कहीं और पे किसी और पे कोई और voltage पे आ रहा है, ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा. There is a fixed voltage in which it enters our house. That fixed voltage is 220 volts. 220 volts. लेकिन ये 220 volts आता कैसे? Let's try to understand that. First, the electricity is generated at an electricity power station. There is electricity power station for every sector. There is one in Tata Steel for us. For us in Thakur village, there is one which is near that mandir, CNS school के पास एक है. You are disturbing me. I will not allow you in class. Okay? So what happens? Yes, huge power stations. So those are called as distribution centers. Distribution centers create an electricity at around 100 kilovolts. 100 kilovolts. It does not produce electricity more than 100 kilovolts because it will have a heating effect. It will have a heating effect. It can have a heating effect. It can also, it's going to be a high potential difference which is moving across the wires. So it is produced at 11 kilovolts. After that it goes to the grid hub station. Grid hub station that is present in National Park for us, behind National Park, for all of us in this greater part of Bombay. So what does grid station do? Grid station increases the voltage from 11 kilovolts to 132 kilovolts. So what is it doing? It is doing step up. Stepping up the voltage. It uses step up transformer. When you study transformer, you will know how does it step up electricity. We use step up transformer. Are you listening to me? It uses step up transformer to convert 11 kilovolt into 130 kilovolts. Now this 132 kilovolts goes to the main substation. Main substation से distribution होता है. Main substation पे फिर से जाके step down होता है. Now from this grid hub, it will go to many main substations. It will all go at 132 kilovolts. Now so it will move very fast. It will be at a very high amount of voltage will be received at all these main substations. Now at main substation we will put it through a step down. Now step down can be immediately done to 220 volts. ना? क्यों नहीं करते हैं? Because some heavy industries require 33 kilovolts. So first it steps it down from 132 kilovolts to 33 kilovolts.
Step down भी transformer के साथ.
Step up and step down are both transformers. Transformer's job is to convert or increase or decrease the voltage. It either increases the voltage, that is called a step up transformer. The one which decreases the voltage is called a step down transformer. Step down transformer reduces the voltage from 132 kilovolt to 33 kilovolts. From 33 kilovolts, some of the electricity is passed through is given to heavy industries. Heavy industries, that means we are talking about cotton industry, we are talking about paint industries. They use a lot of high voltage in it. So they are given, when 33 kilowatt goes to the sectors. Whichever sectors need that kind of current, they will be provided with 33 kilowatts. So 33 kilowatts is useless for me. 33 kilowatts घर पे तो नहीं भेज सकते. So again I will have to step it down. So it goes to the intermediate substation. In the intermediate substation, 33 kilowatts to 11 kilowatts. Why am I doing 11 kilowatts? Light to moderate industries need 11 kilowatts. Light to moderate industries मतलब petroleum manufacturing industries. We are talking about industries that make dyes, pigments. Then we are the industries which make making paper industries. These are light to moderate usage. That they use 11 kilovolts of potential voltage. Then 11 kilovolt is sent to the city substation. City substation क्या करेगा? City substation उसको और step down करेगा. Step down करके 220 volts तक लाएगा. 220 volts is for my consumer. This electricity which is coming from the main circuit, this is 220 your house, if you experience anything more than 220 volt, there is either, we call it a short circuit, but it is not short circuit, it is high voltage that leads to the breaking of certain circuit to stop the passage of electricity. Yes.
For using ACs and how much voltage is this?
220 only, power rating is very high, 220 के अंदर ही रहता है सब कुछ. But when we use ACs, when we use washing machines, and when we use heaters or coolers, AC is a cooler, heater and cooler, they require very high amount of voltage, so their rating is higher. They use up to 220, little lesser than 220. And however, when we are talking about bulbs को 220 नहीं लगता, 5 volts, 10 volts. So that is how we. So now 220 volt पे city consumer के पास आ चुका है.
So the 220 volt is distributed among the
220 volt will come to my house.
Okay.
In my house, all individual connections. Now we will learn in the next step. All individual connections are getting 220 volt, or is it getting distributed? We will see. We will see too. We will come to that. Did you understand how it is transmitted? Yes.
इतना complicated क्यों किया?
How is this complicated?
I mean, they're stepping up and stepping down. Why don't they just
Why?
step up
Because
11
there are these underground and overground wires. जितना high current electricity इधर से इधर तक पास करेगा 132 सोचो. Can you imagine the amount of heat energy conversion, the amount of loss, and the amount of thick wires that we are going to need for that? Every industry has different requirements. So it has to be created in such a way. देखो, V is equal to IR.
हाँ.
करंट अगर बढ़ गया, वोल्टेज और करंट का क्या रिलेशन है?
Like directly.
Voltage is directly related to I. But whenever I am increasing the current, the voltage is increasing, or when I am increasing the voltage, the current is increasing. That is what we can say over here. So what will happen here is the amount of flow of current cannot be regulated at such high distances that एक ही amount पे आप constant use को देते हो. That's why we have to step it down and step it up based on the requirement. Here why do I step it up? Because it is going to the main substation. Main substation पे step up करके then again we send it from to other sectors. So here we will need a higher power because it is going to all the places in the like in that given area.
I'm late something.
ये खत्म कर दो. Okay. हाँ दो ना. So 33 kilowatt, so definitely यहाँ तक हम लोग क्यों step down करते हैं? Because heavy industry 11 kilowatt is light to moderate. Stop it. 5 minutes. Did you understand this? So did you understand how it is transmitted and how it has reached my house now?
Short circuit happens because
Short circuit and increase. Short circuit तभी होता है जब ये live wire और neutral wire contact में आते हैं. उसको short circuit बोलते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं short circuit? Live wire है ये और सोचो ये neutral wire है.
हम difference क्या है?
सब सिखाऊंगी इसी चैप्टर में. अभी सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस में बता दूं. Live wire से electricity enters an appliance, neutral wire से it comes back. If this is an appliance, live wire से electricity enters, neutral wire से it exits. Now, if live wire and neutral wire somehow touch each other, so what will happen? This is resistance ना at the end of the day. Any appliance is a resistance or load. अगर load खत्म हो गया तो सीधा ये ऐसे करके पास करेगा कि नहीं करेगा? ये appliance में जाएगा ही नहीं. So high voltage of electricity will circulate in the house without affecting the appliance. This is called a short circuit because instead of taking this path, it took this.
That is happening because load में कुछ
Nothing. Just the two wires have touched each other because of a faulty construction. Okay, or because of regular use. बार-बार use करके उसका जो क्या कहते हैं insulation है निकल गया है दोनों का. वायर्स में इंसुलेशन होते हैं ना, कलर्स होते हैं, कलर कोड होता है, निकल गया तो टच हो गया तो अप्लायंस तक जाएगा ही, वो छोटा सर्किट कंप्लीट करके निकल जाएगा. तो पूरे सर्किट में, हाउस के सर्किट में देयर बी वेरी हाई पोटेंशियल, बट द अप्लायंसेस विल नॉट वर्क. ओके, बिकॉज़ अप्लायंसेस आर रेसिस्टेंट. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच?